Good morning. We are on our way
to Ortigia.
to Ortigia. This is our Sunday routine. We like to go and have a cappuccino and a cornetto somewhere in Siracusa normally. We've got to get into Ortigia before 11 o'clock because otherwise you can't park with your car after 11 o'clock. Is that right, Nas?
Well, you can't go in, can't get into it's a traffic controlled area.
Yeah, which is good because otherwise it just gets manic with all the cars. So what time is it?
2:45.
11?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's fine.
hopefully we'll get in.
We're almost there.
So we'll take you with us. Hello and welcome back to this week's episode. For those of you who are new, we are Mia and Massi and we live on this enchanting island called Sicily. Why do we love living on this island? I think probably because life here is so focused on quality rather than quantity. Being completely surrounded by a crystal clear sea makes you feel so far away from the rest of the world, and because of strong traditions and culture, you feel at least 10-15 years behind some countries. But this division, this separation, is not bad. On the contrary, we feel like we have discovered this magical secret that the Sicilians have guarded for centuries, because they know that once you step foot on this island, she will forever call you back. It did me, and now I am back in my 50s with my partner Massi, living simply in the countryside, enjoying Sunday cappuccinos and adventuring this island. Winter cannot win on this island. It stays 2-3 months, if that. But be prepared, the sun here has no mercy, especially in July and August. In fact, most of Italy closes down in the month of August. But who cares? We have the most exquisite crystal clear waters to swim in and the best pistachio gelato to cool us down. You see, Sicilians will always find a solution to everything. If you feel melancholy, then eat a plate of caponata. Make yourself a blood orange salad. If you feel lonely, go for a walk in one of the piazzas. And I promise you, an elegant 90-year-old will want to talk to you, or a friendly nonna will smile at you. Have you ever been to Sicily? Would you like to come to Sicily? What are your thoughts? Please just leave some comments and I'll get back to you. Good morning, Chef Massi.
Good morning.
What's for lunch?
I'm doing scallopina chicken. I don't know how you would say that in English, but yeah, it's chicken cooked, based in flour, cooked in oil, good oil and butter, and it's tenderized before. That's what I'm doing now.
And with a bit of wine and lemon.
Wine and lemon, yes, exactly. Very simple dish. Simplicity is always the best, as I always say. I like being
Less
simple.
is more.
Less is more. The ingredients need to be simple. Don't complicate your cooking like some people do.
Yeah.
And yeah, just basically enjoy it as you go. Have fun. So I bought chicken breast. Slice it to the size that I want to slice it. I'm now hammering it all out. So making it nice and tender. Normally chicken is tender, but it's extra tender when you bash it with a meat hammer. The main reason why I buy it whole is because I cut it to the size I want it to. And that's it really. So I've put a little bit of oil, some butter in there. What I'm going to do is put the lemon slices in to get the flavor into the oil. I just want to add some lemon into it. Going to get them to be a little bit caramelized. Okay. So the lemons are getting caramelized and they're flavoring the oil. That's why I'm letting them fry off beforehand.
Massi needs some sage. Oh, love it when it just grows in the garden and you can just pick it. It's got so big. Literally planted it a couple of weeks ago.
Now that your chicken is very well floured, make sure you flour it completely, because that's what creates your nice and thick sauce in the end. Put that all together and get that ready to go in the pan.
One thing I did to help you.
That is now freshly picked sage, and I've cut it into strips to release the flavor, and you must put it in so while it's hot. So as you can see, the chicken is getting nice and cooked on one side. I've got it almost to the same amount on the other side. So now I'm adding in the wine to give it that finishing touch. I'm using red wine. Normally use white wine, but I like the red wine. It's drier and the taste is amazing.
Cheers. Wow, this looks amazing. Thanks, Mas. Okay, so we're on our way now to my son Miki's house. We have to take the bees. He's put the queen bee in the new hive. Oh, you haven't done it? Ooh, he's got it in his pocket, so I can show you guys how he does that. It'll be interesting. I'm carrying the smoker and this lever. This is the hive. Can you hear them? Bring them into the car. Okay, they are in the back seat. We've taken the old Ford, and we're going to take them to my son's house now.
Where's the cookie? Where's the cookie?
Oh no, leave them indoors. Hey Maz, casual stroll with the bees.
Yep.
Sunday afternoon stroll with the bees. How often do you get someone doing that? Good morning. We've been trying to get out of the house for, I'm not joking, for the past hour. Things just keep on going wrong. First of all, we have electricity that if you turn on an oven and you turn something else on, it will trip. So I started having a shower and the water tank finished. So Masi had to go back in, go out and fill up the water tank. That was one thing. Then I started drying my hair and the electricity tripped because he had the water tank on. So that is our day. Then we decided, okay, we are going to get ready and go, and the smart wouldn't start. The battery's down because I accidentally forgot the radio on. So it looks like it's going to be a fantastic day. But anyway, today is the 1st of May, which is Labor Day, which is La Festa dei Lavoratori. And there are a few little festivals going on around this area. The first festival is in Belvedere. I'm not quite sure what it is, actually. It's something to do with horses. So if we can get the car to start, that would be lovely. We can then take you along with us. Then the second festival is the Festival of the Strawberries. That is why I'm dressed like a strawberry. And that is about 20 minutes from here. It's in a horse racing track. Is that what you call it? Can't think of the word. I've never been, so I'm quite curious to see that. So we're getting the old Ford to give it a bit of charge. Let's see trying to work things out here. Any luck, Mas? Why?
Because sometimes when you leave the car's radio on, because it's got an on-off button, it just draws all the power, and it's got a small battery in this car because it's a small car.
Yeah, so I forgot to turn off the radio and the car won't start.
Life is not all roses, is it?
No, it's not. You get some thorns every now and then, don't you?
Well, roses do have thorns.
Yeah. Okay, I get the message. Thanks, Miss.
And careful, the thorns prick you.
Yes. Is it working? Yay! Okay. Yay. Hopefully we can get out of here now. Okay, finally we can get out of here. Yay!
At long last.
Long last. Let's go. Nini, can't take you with us today. Bye, Bear. You wouldn't want to come with anyway. She hates going out. Okay, let's go. Let's hope the electric gates open. And we don't get a flat tire or something like that.
Babe, stop throwing babe like this. Come on.
Joking. Pony, isn't it? Okay, so apparently there was a big ricotta tasting festival in the piazza, which we missed because our car wouldn't start, but let's not get into that.
Well, things happen.
Things happen, but we managed to get a few videos of the Sicilian horses and their carts going down the streets, which is really
It's traditional. It's on the
Very
1st of May. Every
traditional.
1st of May they do it. So.
Exactly. So we're going to try and catch a bit more of that now because they're going round the village.
Yeah, they do a little roundabout.
Very sweet, short and sweet. We caught it just in time. Yeah, so now...
It's a little festival of the little town. It is a little town.
Yeah, it's Labor Day festival. Okay, so now we're on our way to the next festival, which is the Festival of the Strawberry. Quite excited actually, because I've never been. Let's
You
see
like
what...
strawberries?
Yeah, I love strawberries.
And cream.
Okay, so we're being naughty. We're having a spritz at like 11 o'clock in the morning. Who cares? But we're sharing it. we ate a lot and drank 2 glasses of alcohol.
And now we're finding our car.
And now we can't find our car. And our car is small. But yes, no, that was very sweet. We enjoyed ourselves.
Very cute, yeah.
Just to the beach, so we've decided to go for a little walk on the beach. It's beautiful weather, so hot. Actually, I wish I'd brought my costume.
Actually, that was quite nice. I enjoyed that.
It was sweet. We've never been before, and tonight they've got like a big DJ going on.
Yeah, and we had a nice strawberry beer, which I've never tasted before. It was quite nice, actually.
Cold. Nice and chilly, but it's lovely.
Chilly, windy, cold, but it's beautiful. No, it's not cold. Actually, the sun's hot. The water's freezing.
To be able to just walk down to the beach.
Yeah.
Something we missed living in the UK. We were far away from the beach.
Actually, Giuseppe, well done. You're moving down to the beach in England. Is that it?
His friend.
Ooh, yeah. He loves kite surfing, so they're moving down to the sea because his wife got a job there and he just loves the sea. So he's from Messina.
And it's very windy in Messina, and that's why he's good at kite
Yeah, he
surfing.
does a lot of kite surfing. Well done, Joe. Love you, brother.
So this little beach is called Sabbia d'Oro, which means golden sands, and there are 3 of them along here. They're just before Avola Beach, which we've taken you before. The next one after this is called Bellina after this one, and then Sentiero del Gelsomino, something like that. And I love these 3, and they're fantastic for snorkeling. The water's so clear. There are a couple of caves. We go kayaking here in the summer, so I can't wait until that all starts, so we can take you with us in our kayak.
She's got undressed as well. It's hot. Yeah, it's quite hot. Babe, are we actually going to leave? What do you reckon?
Yeah, let's go.
Are you ready to go?
I've got sand everywhere.
That's the best part of it all.
Yeah,
Let's
go.
do it.
Okay, whew, that was lovely. And now we're going to go back home and have a cup of tea. Yeah, I think that's the best thing. Good old cup of tea. See you next time. We actually decided to stop at another little
Fishing port.
tiny little fishing port called Onyina, and then we're just going to drive along the coastline and then we'll go home. Okay, so about 2 years ago, Massimo and I brought our kayak here and we kayaked all the way across to that little island over there. And we had a terrible crash actually, because a big wave hit us, and luckily we'd packed everything in like little plastic bags, and the wave hit us and we really hurt ourselves, but we didn't realize that we were bleeding like anything. We were just trying to grab all our things that had floated, that were floating away, like our mobile, our house key, everything was like going down, so we were like just trying to grab it all. And then I saw Massey's shoulder and he was bleeding, and I was like, Mass, you're bleeding. And he turned around and he goes, so are you. We had the worst accident ever. And ever since then I've been a little bit scared if there's a bit of a wave with a kayak, but I need to get over that, and we need to go again soon. Thank you for watching our videos, for subscribing, liking and commenting. If you want to watch more of our videos, I have linked our playlist up above. Arrivederci e alla prossima!